Hello everyone, I am Ankit Bhardwaj. So here we have a new topic today in which I'll tell you how to remove water and dust in just 10 seconds without installing any application in your iPhone. So right now I'm having iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's been running on iOS 14.6 as you can see in the video. It's running on iOS 14.6. It will also work in all iPhones running on upper version than iOS 12. So you guys need to do just three steps in the procedure. So here let's start with the video. So firstly, what we have to do is to open the Safari browser in which we have to type fix my speaker on Google search bar and press on search. And after that, we have to click on the very first link given on the description and in which we have to click or tap the button above to activate blower. After pressing it, we have to wait at least for 15 seconds. And you can also feel air coming outside of a speaker along with sound. So it's done here.